In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify with TikTok Shop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. If you've been thinking about setting up your own online store, you might have heard of Printify. It's an amazing print-on-demand service that allows you to create custom products without worrying about inventory management. And teaming it up with TikTok Shop? That's a game changer. To get started, the first thing you need is a Printify account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Head over to the Printify website and you can sign up for free. Just click on the sign up button and fill in your details. It's a straightforward process. Once you've got your account created, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. Now the next step is to create your first product. This part is really exciting because you get to unleash your creativity. Click on the catalog from the left menu and browse through the various product options, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Once you find a product you love, click on it. You'll then have the opportunity to customize it. Here's the fun part. You can upload your designs. Find that perfect design you want to feature and upload it. Printify allows you to position your design exactly where you want it on the product. Make sure it looks just right. Play around with sizing and placement until it suits your vision. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to hit the Save Product button. After saving, you'll be prompted to set your product details like title, description, and pricing. It's important to create an enticing description because this is what will catch the attention of potential buyers, especially on TikTok. Be sure to include keywords that your target audience might be searching for, as this can help improve visibility. Next, let's connect your Printify store to TikTok Shop. You'll need to have a TikTok business account for this step, so if you don't have one, that's your next order of business. Head over to TikTok and follow the prompts to create your business account. It's a simple process like signing up on Printify. Once you have your TikTok Shop ready, go back to your Printify dashboard. In Printify, locate the My Store option in the side menu and select Connect. You'll see several options for connecting your store. Look for TikTok Shop from the list. Click on it and follow the instructions provided to link your TikTok account. It may ask for some authorization permissions, and you'll need to confirm those to finalize the connection. Once you've successfully connected your Printify store to TikTok, you can start listing those amazing products we just created. Go back to your Printify account and choose the products you want to add to your TikTok shop. Use the Publish button to push your listings to TikTok. Now that your products are synced, let's think about how to promote them. TikTok is all about creativity and engagement. Create fun and catchy videos showcasing your products. You can do unboxing videos, styling guides, or even behind-the-scenes content about your design process. The more authentic and relatable your content, the more likely it is to resonate with viewers. And while you're promoting, remember to use the appropriate hashtags to broaden your reach, engage with comments, and build a community around your brand. Trust me, the more active and engaged you are on TikTok, the better your chances of making sales. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Printify with TikTok Shop. It involves setting up your Printify account, creating customized products, connecting to TikTok, and promoting those products through engaging content. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below and let's chat. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new online shop.